What's up, you guys? It's me, Cyd, and welcome to my not so neat right now beauty room / office. It's a little messy in here right now, not gonna lie. Today's video is going to be my mindful morning routine. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do every single morning to set myself up for success throughout the day. I don't know what it is about doing things with intention every single morning that's really just helped me de-stress and focus on whatever I have coming up for the rest of the day. I'm also super excited to be partnering with Shiseido for this video. If you guys don't know already, Shiseido is a J beauty brand, which also means Japanese beauty. And one of the really big philosophies in Japanese skincare is to have a ritual for your skin. So working with this brand is super perfect for this video because I believe having a ritual for every morning has really helped transform my life. So having a ritual for your skin is also going to do the same thing for your skin over time. Incorporating these amazing products from Shiseido into my morning routine have truly transformed my skin, and it's just become a really nice part of what I do every morning. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So typically my day starts around 8:30. I used to set an alarm to wake up at this time, but now my body just kind of naturally does it, which is really nice. Husband always stays asleep a lot longer than I do. Hello, good morning. I like to start the day by showing him affection and love because I always just wake up so grateful to wake up next to him. I'm truly grateful for him, and I wake up every morning so glad that I met him and that he's in my life. So I love to show him love and affection before I get up to go and make coffee. Starting my day off with coffee has really helped me a lot just to start the day by doing a task. Even one as minuscule as making coffee really just helps me to prepare for any other task that I have to do. This is my favorite coffee mug. Osmond got it for me for Christmas. It says, "This lady is the best wife ever." So nice. This is my favorite coffee blend at the moment. It's just the Starbucks breakfast blend. And then I mix it with a little bit of soy creamer. And we got coffee. After making coffee, I go back upstairs and give Osmond some coffee. This is the time when he's just waking up and I'm also still waking up with a little bit of caffeine. And we take the time just to sit and talk to each other, maybe about what our dreams were or about any plans that we have for the day. Usually Osmond convinces me to get back in bed and snuggle for a while, and we'll spend the next 15 minutes or so just talking about whatever is on our minds or what we want to do for the day, and then we'll get up and make the bed. The next step in my morning routine is to shower. Now this might seem a little bit strange, and it was strange for me at first, but instead of thinking about everything that I have to do when I get out of the shower, I like to take this time to genuinely just enjoy my shower. I do this by visualizing the water running down my body and cleansing my skin. While I'm washing my face, I like to think of the soap getting deep into my pores and rinsing away any dirt from when I was sleeping. I used to shower and just think about what I was going to wear or what I had to do or who I needed to text back, and now I genuinely just like to enjoy my shower. If you find yourself getting distracted while you shower, one thing that I like to do, it's a little weird, not gonna lie, is just remind myself what I'm doing. So I'll remind myself I'm washing my shoulder, I'm washing my arm, I'm washing my face, and just repeating those things to myself really helps me stay present and enjoy my shower. So directly after the shower, I first like to brush my teeth. My favorite toothpaste at the moment is Tom's. And then while there's still steam and my pores are open, I go directly into skincare. Since I've already washed my face in the shower, I can go right into the next steps. For the first step in my skincare routine, I'm going to be taking the Shiseido Eudermine Revitalizing Essence. This is actually a softening lotion that delivers immediate moisture to your skin and responds to changes in the climate. So I've noticed my skin is a little bit drier in the winter months. This product has helped me maintain moisture. After softening my skin, I'm going to strengthen it with the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. This product works to strengthen your skin over time and create a longer lasting, silky, smooth, fresh feeling. I've noticed since using this product, my makeup applies so smooth and my skin looks amazing underneath. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Essential Energy Moisturizing Gel Cream. The technology in this moisturizer helps to reawaken skin sensors so that your skincare can work better for you. It also smells impeccable. Throughout my entire skincare routine, I'm really mindful just to remind myself exactly what I'm doing. So applying each product, I just like to continually remind myself what it's doing for my skin and why I'm applying it. The last step is the Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector with SPF 42. I use this to protect myself from UV rays. This is one of the lightest sunscreens I've ever used. I hate when I apply a sunscreen and I can feel the leftover residue on my skin. This one doesn't do that at all. The last step in my morning routine, and by far my favorite, is meditation. You guys, I cannot tell you how much meditating has truly changed my life. It seems really dramatic, but honestly, I don't know what it is about sitting and focusing to just kind of get everything out of my brain. Really helps me to reorganize my day and get things together. And if meditating isn't for you, you can take this time to read or write or just do anything that you intentionally want to do outside of what you have to do for the rest of the day. After meditation, that's when I start the rest of my day. So I will go up into my office and answer my emails and any text messages that I haven't gotten to yet. Having a morning routine really does help me de-stress for the rest of the day. I'm just not so worried about what I have to do for the day because I've taken the time in the morning to calm my brain. So this is how I'm in my morning in my beauty room / studio / office. It's really important to me that I don't look at emails or text messages or social media or any of that before I start my day. I don't know why, but it's just helped me so much to stay grounded and de-stressed if I'm not thinking about everything that I have to do for the day before I finish my morning routine. So if you don't already have a morning routine, I highly suggest just trying it out and seeing if it works for you. It's worked for me so much, so I'm recommending it to everyone. I've also fallen in love with the Shiseido skincare products. My skin just feels so nice and supple, and that's the best way to start your day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super curious if you also have a morning routine. Please comment that down below and share with me what you also do in the morning. I'm really interested to know what some of you guys might do for your morning routines. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!